Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. I am Nikinis Adoro, the best friend of the one we are going to commemorate today. I am greatly humbled to talk and have a reflection about a wonderful woman. She is not only my best friend but also more of a sister for me. Dr. Kapili has finally achieved her dreams with her own blood and sweat. She is now an inspiration for everybody. Her life proves that nothing is impossible in the name of God. I am very grateful that she has become a part of my life. You know what? She started from rags to riches. I can okay, I can still remember she always applies on scholarship programs to lessen the burden of her mother. There are times that she also did not eat lunch because of the financial problems. She even thought of skipping college that time because her sister also needs to go to college. But she never gave up. She believed in her own capabilities and in our Lord. Today, I just feel so sorry because there were times that I asked her to help me at the instance that she is really busy. But still, she lent me a hand. One of the things that never changed about her is her... One of the things that never changed about her is her beauty. When we were young, a lot of boys are into her. And I think now, a lot more guys like her. Another thing is her humility. Although she has attained many accomplishments, she remains humble and feet flat on the floor. She never bragged about her success. There are so many things to be proud of about Dr. Kapili. I am very thankful to have her in my life because, first of all, I know she never forgets her friends and family. We love you, Eliza. Thank you. That's all.